Now I am going to explain how to sketch a cubic equation. Okay, let's see how to do it. First of all, we have to find extreme points. To find extreme point, we have to find derivative of this function. First derivative of this function, 3x squared minus 24x plus 21. This is the first derivative of this function, and find the extreme point, we have to use f dash x equals 0. Let's see how to do it. Minus 24x plus 21 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. We have to find x1 and x2. Okay, let's see how to find the solution for quadratic equation by using calculator. This is FX991 MS calculator, and first of all we have to press mod button 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Again press for equation number 1. This asks unknowns. How many unknowns? 2 or 3. There is only one unknown, so we reject this function and press arrow. And they ask how many degrees, 2 or 3. This is degree 2 equation, so we have to press number 2. And for A, we have to put number 3. For B, we have to put minus 24. For C, we have to put 21. We got the answer x1 as a number 7 and x2 as a number 1. Okay. To find the fx value for 7 and 1, f7 and f1, we have to substitute number 7 for this equation. So let's see how to do it. Before put the formula in the calculator, we have to clear the calculator. Let's see how to clear the calculator. You have to press shift and clear, then press number 3. Okay. And press equal sign. Then it resets all. Okay, put the equation in the calculator. X cube minus 12x squared plus 21x plus 100. Press solve button, and they ask value for x. Press number 7, it 2, and press number 1, it 110. Now we got the extreme points. There are 2 extreme points, 7, 2 and 1, 110. I'm going to note this down in the corner. Okay. Then I'm going to check whether it is maximization or a minimization one. To check it, we have to use second derivative of this function, right? 6x minus 24. We have to put number 7 and we have to put number 1. This is plus 18 and this is minus 18. This is greater than or equal 0. This is less than or equal 0. So this is minimization 1 and this is maximization 1. This is minimization 1 and this is maximization 1. Now you know 2 extreme points, and I'm going to find intersection of y-axis. To find the intersection points of y-axis, we have to put x equals 0. When x equals 0, f0 equal 100. The point is 0, 100. This is intersection point of y-axis. To find the intersection points of x-axis, we have to put fx equal 0. x cube minus 12x squared plus 21x plus 100 equals 0. This is somewhat complex equation. Then see how to solve it by using calculator. As previous, you have to press mod 3 times and press 1 for equations and arrow for degrees. This is degree 3 equation. So you have to press number 3. And for A, put 1. For B, put 12, minus 12. For C, 21. For D, 100. Okay, you get the answer. x1 minus 2.02, x2 7.12. There is some sign like this R. x3 7.12. There is also this sign. So this is not a real answers, this is complex. So I am not going to take this because of these are complex answers. The intersection of x-axis is minus 2.02 and 0. Now I am going to find long run behavior of this function. Limitation of fx. When x goes to plus infinity, function goes to plus infinity. Limitation of fx. When x goes to minus infinity, function goes to minus infinity because of this sign. So this is long run behavior. And let's sketch a graph. This is a minimization. This is maximization. Another point, and this is another point. We have to draw this, and we have to draw like this. By using long run behavior, you can draw graph like this further. Okay. I hope you guys have learned something new from my video.